Oh, yola. Okay. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our Chinese class. Okay. So first of all, let us introduce ourselves. My name is Richard.
My name is
Abby. Okay. So my viewers, today we are going to talk about Chinese grammar. Okay. So Abby, what's our grammar today? Okay, so the topic we're going to talk about today is in HSK level 1, okay, lesson 14.
Yeah.
Okay, so it is a very basic grammar. Okay, so Abby, what's the grammar today? How
to use
le. Okay, well, it's very easy, right? Le. But actually it is very hard to use for non-native speakers. So today's lesson is part 1. Once again, this grammar is in HSK level 1. Okay, so what is le? For. Okay, let us tell you. Le indicates
something that has already happened.
Yeah, when you use le, that means this action or something has already happened or completed. Okay, you have already completed this action. So in this case, we will use le. Okay, in this case, le is used
after.
Remember that after a verb. Okay, we have to use le after a verb.
Yep.
So right now, let us give you some example sentences. Okay, Abby, today's examples are really simple. Okay, first of all, let's talk about the sentence pattern. Subject first. We need to have the subject first. Then we need a verb. And then we use le after a verb, right?
Yeah.
After a verb. So that means you have or someone has completed this action or this action has happened. Okay, so that's the function of this word, le. So Abby, let's read the first example.
ma+哭了.
Yeah, mama means, mama is the subject, right? Ku is the verb. ma+哭了 means mother cried, right? Cried, the past tense, or mother has cried. That's the perfect tense, okay, in English. And in Chinese, we can say
妈妈哭了.
We use le after ku.
verb.
Okay, that means something has already happened.
Yeah.
Okay, so what's the next sentence?
Abby 笑了.
Abby 笑了. Abby 笑了, which means Abby smiled. Okay, like the past tense, or like Abby has smiled, like the perfect tense. So that means Abby has already done this action. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, Abby 笑了. Mama
哭了.
Very simple. We just use the verb. We just use le after the verb.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. So this is the first usage of the. Let's see what's the next usage of le. Okay. So Abby, let's see the next one. Okay, Abby, can you read the English for us?
Some verbs need an object when you use them.
Okay, very good. Wow. Abby's English is good. Some verbs need an object when you use them. For example, 买 means buy. Okay, you cannot just say I buy. That's the same in Chinese. You cannot just say 我买. You have to use another object after 买. Oftentimes we say 买一个苹果, for example, right? 买一个苹果. You cannot just say 我买. What did you buy? You have to tell us 我买.
Give me.
Yeah, you have to say what what's the thing you bought, right? So we have to use an object. So sometimes we say 买一个苹果 buy an apple.
Yep.
买一个苹果. So for this kind of verbs, where can we put 了? How can we use 了 in this kind of verbs? Then remember,
Then we use
了
between the verb and the object.
That's right. So remember the position. Yeah. So once again, we use 了 after the verb. 买了一个苹果, which means you have already bought an apple.
Yep.
Okay, or you bought an apple. Okay, so 了 here means the action that has already been done. Okay, so 买一个苹果, then we will say 买了一个苹果, which means you have already bought an apple.
Yeah.
Okay, so to indicate the completed action. Okay, so if you use this kind of verb which needs an object after it, then we use 了 after the verb. 买了 买一个苹果 will be 买了一个苹果. Okay, so let me give you some examples. Okay, the example is, okay, let's see the sentence pattern first. First of all, we need a subject. Okay, first of all, we need a subject. Then we use verb plus 了. Okay, verb plus 了. This kind of verb which needs an object. Okay, then we use, oftentimes we will have numbers plus major words. Major words like 个, right? It's a major word. Number plus major word. Or like adjective pronouns like 很多, like many or a lot of. Okay, oftentimes we will have this. Then we need an object. Okay, so let us give you one example sentence. Okay.
我看见了3个人.
Yeah. Abby, where is the subject?
我.
Good. Where is the verb?
看见.
C. Where is 了? Where is the number plus major word?
3.
三个, right? 三 number, 个 major word. Where is the object?
人. Yep.
So let's read the sentence again.
我看见了3个人.
Which means I saw. Past tense, right? I saw 3 people. I saw 3 people. Or I have seen 3 people. Okay, so that's the meaning of 了. 了 indicates an action that has already been done or be completed. Okay, 我看见了3个人. I saw or I have seen 3 people. Okay, what's the next example?
他写了很多汉字.
Very good. So Abby, where is the subject?
他.
Where is the verb?
写.
Where is 了?
了.
Where is the, we call it adjective pronoun?
很多很多很多.
很多 a lot of. 很多 means many or a lot of. Where is the object?
汉字.
汉字 means Chinese words.
Chinese
words, right? 汉字, or you can say 中文字. 中文字, 汉字. 字 means word, right? 字 word. Okay, Abby, let us read the sentence.
他写了很多汉字.
In English, it means he wrote. Okay, we use the past tense. We wrote many words. Well, we just say 汉字.
Chinese words.
He wrote many Chinese words. We can also think about like the sentence in the like perfect tense. He has written. He has written many Chinese words. Okay, so that's the function of this word. 了. Okay, so Abby, let's read the example sentences again.
我看见了3个人.
I saw
3 people.
Okay, the next one.
他写了很多汉字. He wrote many Chinese words.
Okay, so that's all for today, and today's lesson is for HSK level 1, lesson 14. Okay, today's part 1.
Yep.
Next time we will talk about part 2. And at last, Abby, teacher Abby, will give you some quizzes. Okay. Ooh, quizzes. Question time right now. Okay,
Yep.
Abby, teacher Abby, what's the first question today?
One.
My students, our viewers, put the numbers in order,
Yeah.
in a correct order. Okay, please comment below. Write down your answers, and teacher Abby will check your answers. Okay, when we finish this live streaming. Okay, Abby, what's the question for our students today? 一
了 2 睡
3
弟弟
弟弟 Okay, let's read it again. 一
了
2
睡
3
3弟弟
Abby, what is 睡?
sleep
What is a slept? Okay, 睡了. Okay, what is 弟弟?
young brother.
Younger brother, little brother.
Yeah.
Okay, so our viewers, write down the answers in the comments.
3 2 1
No, we need to keep them 5 seconds. Okay.
5 4 3 2 1 Dang dang.
Okay, so Abby, tell us what's the answer.
3 2 1
Ah, really? 3 2 1. So in Chinese is 弟弟睡了. Like my little brother slept,
slept
or my little brother has slept.
slept.
Slept. Okay, let's read it again.
弟弟睡了
So the correct answer is 3
2
1.
1
Okay, I hope you get the correct answer.
100
4 scores. Okay, so Abby, do we have the second question? Okay, oh, of course. Okay, wait a minute. Okay, Abby teacher, give us the second question.
1
一
买
买
买
2
我的朋友
我的朋友 means my
friend
friend. my 我的 my
my friend
3
书
means
book.
Okay.
Yep.
4
了
了
了
5
一本
E means 1, right?
1
Pen is a major word for books.
Yeah.
Major word for books. Okay, so once again,
一买
2
我的朋友
3
书
4
了
5
一本
Okay, 5 seconds. Correct answers. Please write down your answers before we tell you the correct one. Okay, so write it down. What's the correct order of this sentence?
5 4 3 2 1
Okay. Hopefully you write down your answer, okay? That's very important for you to practice more. Okay, so Abby, what is our first number?
2
我的朋友. And what's the next?
1
Yeah, you need to find a verb, right? Subject first, then the verb, and what's the next?
4 4
了
买了
我的买了 because you need to use the after the verb, right? And what's the next?
5
Yeah, major number plus major word. Number plus major word. 一本 What's the next? So let's read the answers for you again. 我
的朋友买了一本书
Okay, let's read it slowly. 我
的朋友买了一本书
Okay, my friend
friend
bought
bought
a book.
book
Okay, my friend
bought
bought
a book
Okay, so my viewers, my students, that's all for today. And today's lesson is for HSK level 1, lesson 14. And our main word is 了. Okay, so hopefully you learned something from today's lesson. And today is part 1. And next time we'll introduce part 2. Okay, so see you next time. 下次见. Bye bye.